Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to walk you through Atlic Hotel Data Analysis Project, a comprehensive study of our booking pattern, revenue performance, and a customer satisfaction across our entire portfolio. Our goal was clear to analyze performance data to uncover actionable insight that will drive strategic decision making and optimize our hotel operation. To achieve this, our analysts leveraged a Python based methodology, specifically using Pandas library for the robust data manipulation and cleaning and statistical analysis. Our project was built upon a strong data architecture that integrated five key data sets: booking transactions. This is our core fact table detailing 134,590 individual bookings capturing guest behavior, revenue, and satisfaction rating. Hotels catalog a master list of our 25 properties, including essential attributes like location and property type. Room type define a capacity, amenities, and rate categories for all accommodation types. Data dimension, a temporal reference table crucial for time series analysis and identifying trends across booking periods. Aggregated metrics containing pre-calculated summary statistics like occupancy rate. A critical step was ensure data quality. Our cleaning process involved four main actions. Outlier detection, we identified and removed bookings with negative guest counts and one anomalous 9.1 million revenue transaction that was skewing our analysis. Missing data strategy. For a missing capacity data, we applied median imputation. Importantly, we preserved 77,899 missing customer rating to avoid introducing biases. Feature engineering, we calculated a vital numeric occupancy percentage, which is successful booking divided by capacity round to two decimal place. Data integration, finally we merged our dimension and fact tables to create comprehensive analytical data set. Looking at our revenue performance, the second quarter was very strong, with total quarterly revenue exceeding 1.17 billion across the portfolio, and May delivered the strongest monthly performance with 408.4 million in realized revenue. June saw 7.6% of decline, and July recovered, reaching 389.9 million. This was revenue performance by month. The portfolio shows robust performance across property segment. Our three top revenue generated Atlic Exotica, Atlic Palace, and Atlic City. Each generated over 285 million. This incident strong performance in our premium and urban market segment. However, the entire level of Atlic season contributed 66 million, the highlight a significant opportunity for targeted optimization in our mid-market offering. Analyzing where our booking comes from reveal the importance of digital channel. Online travel agency drive a largest share accounting for 41% of total revenue. Direct booking contributed 32%, representing a high value commission free revenue stream that is worth optimizing further. Customer satisfaction varies by cities. Delhi holds the highest rating at 3.78 out of 5 star. Bangalore has lowest average rating at 3.41. This 10-point spread across cities suggested operational inconsistency and shows that the Bangalore properties requires a target state service excellence initiatives. We have two major findings that inform our strategy: rating collection gap. A staggering 58% of our booking lacks a customer rating. That's the 77,899 records were preserved. This is a significant lost opportunity for feedback and implementing post-stay survey in incentives could could dramatically improve data completeness, revenue concentration. The top three property types generate 73% of total revenue, confirming strong brand equity in premium segments, but also revealing high growth potential in our mid market offering. Based on this insight, we have three core recommendations. Optimize direct channel. We must focus on initiatives to increase our direct booking percentage to reduce expensive OTA commissions and improve profit margin. Elevate Bangalore experience. We need to develop service improvement program to close the satisfaction gap between our Bangalore properties and our top performing market. Enhance feedback capture. We need to implement a systematic rating collection system like post day incentives to enable data driven quality improvements across the board. This analysis provides a click hotel which with the actionable intelligence we need to drive revenue growth, operation excellence, and enhance guest satisfaction. This project demonstrates my ability to take a comprehensive data set, ensure its quality, extract financially relevant insight, and deliver concrete, actionable strategies to drive business result. That's the data analysis project for Actic Hotels. Thank you so much for watching and staying tuned to the end. And hit that like button if you found this insight valuable, and let me know in the comments which city would you prioritize for the service improvement. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.